بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome again to the second part of page 64. Let's dive into it. So we have يشاقق ققي يشاقق يشاقق حصى ده حصاده مضى جع مضاجع بطارد عظامه شعائر مغانم مفاتح سقاية or should have been سقاية. طيب, let's start from the beginning one more time. يشاقق حصاده مضاجع بطارد عظامه شعائر مغانم مفاتح سقاية. طيب, remember we said the alif here we don't make it too long. You don't say مغانم. No, this is مد الطبيعي, a normal or a natural مد. It's just natural. 2 حركات. We said حركة is 2 letters. You come from this letter to the other letter. That is حركة. طيب, so these are 2 حركة and this is the 3rd حركة. Okay, حركة we said is the movement of you coming from this letter, this حرف, to the next حرف, to the next حرف, to the next حرف, to the next حرف. That is what حركة is. طيب, so when we say it's 2 حركات, just remember it's you moving from one place to another, from one letter to another. When we say it's 4 حركات, remember 1 2 3 4. When we say it's 5 حركات, 1 2 3 4 5. When we say it's 6, and so on and so forth. So harakat, again I'm going to repeat, it's you moving from one letter to another letter, of course with a vowel, to another letter, to another letter, to another letter. So these are 2 harakats, 3 harakats, and so on and so forth. Ma'asalama, thank you for watching. Please remember to share with other people, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.